If your finance team is still spending hours on routine tasks like invoice approvals, expense routing, or reconciliation, it might be time to rethink the process. Automated accounting workflows are built for exactly that. They're rule-based systems that handle repetitive tasks for you with no manual intervention. The benefit is immediate. Automation removes repetitive data entry, reduces errors, and keeps tasks moving through approval chains automatically. With the right monitoring and auditing controls, your team can finally shift away from administrative work and focus on analysis and strategy. Here are the main points to remember. Automation uses predefined rules to execute routine accounting tasks. It speeds up processing, reduces manual errors, and frees your team to focus on higher value work instead of data entry. So, what do automated workflows actually look like in practice? Well, they're digital processes that run tasks according to the rules you set. Instead of entering data manually, chasing approvals, or updating ledgers, the software completes each step automatically based on triggers and conditions that you define. These workflows apply to invoice processing, expense approvals, payment scheduling, bank reconciliation, and financial close tasks. Because they run consistently at any scale, they let finance operations grow without increasing administrative headcount. Setting them up starts with identifying your high-volume, repeatable tasks. Then define the triggers that start each workflow, like receiving an invoice or hitting a spending threshold. Outline the rules and conditions, including approval paths, tolerance levels, required documents, and data formats. Once the structure is clear, choose an automation tool that integrates with your accounting system. Configure the workflow and test small batches to catch any issues. When it's ready, roll it out with strong controls such as audit logs, role-based permissions, and exception handling paths. After launch, monitor performance. Track completion times, error rates, and bottlenecks. As policies change or new data sources appear, redefine the rules so the workflow stays accurate and reliable. A few best practices can help. Start with high-volume, rule-consistent tasks like invoice approvals. Keep rules simple and clearly documented to avoid misrouting. Always include exception paths. Review audit logs regularly, and avoid automating tasks that require judgment or have a lot of variability, since those still need human oversight. Automation isn't just about efficiency. It gives your team more space to think, analyze, and contribute at a higher level. And when workflows are set up correctly, the payoff is significant.